Hello, I'm Ann Sanchez from the Customer Success Team. Welcome to the Argos X Academy series. In this first lesson, we'll introduce Argos X, explain what it is, how it compares to the Argos Web Viewer, and show you how to enable it so your users can get started. Argos X was introduced in Argos version 6.12.1 as the modern replacement for the Argos Web Viewer. It includes everything users can do in the web viewer today, along with new capabilities that are available exclusively in Argos X. The goal of Argos X is simple: provide secure web-based access to your reports and dashboards through a modern, intuitive interface. Because it's built as a web application, we're able to deliver new features and enhancements much faster than before. It's fully web-based, mobile-friendly, and works across Windows, Mac OS, and other operating systems. Let's take a look at how to enable it. Open the Maps configuration tool, expand the server, and select the Enable Argos X support. Once enabled, the Argos X button will appear alongside the Argos client and Argos Web Viewer. During your transition, users can continue using both Argos Web Viewer and Argos X at the same time. If you prefer users to access only one experience, you can enable or disable either option in Maps. In my environment, only Argos X is enabled. So when I launch the e-launcher, you'll notice that Argos X is available while the Argos Web Viewer button is hidden. Ready to get started with Argos X? If you'd like help planning your rollout or enabling Argos X for your institution, reach out to our customer success team at engagement@evisions.com. In the next lesson, let's take a look at navigating the interface and finding your folders, data blocks, dashboards, and reports using Explorer.